These are the worst ingredients that are found in some of your favorite hair care products. These ingredients could be destroying your hair and your health. Some of these ingredients not only cause irritation and hair loss, but they can also be cancerous, hormone disruptors, and if used for long periods of time, they could be even destroying your body. So if you want to hear about the worst ingredients that you're putting on your scalp and your body, keep on watching. And if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. The first ingredient is sulfates. Sulfates are surface acting agents that are used in shampoos to clean dirt and semen out of your scalp. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with sulfates. I think they are amazing at getting gunk and buildup out of your scalp, but if used too often, it can cause an allergic reaction to your scalp, can cause frizzy hair, and it is a hormone disruptor. Sulfates also can strip away too much moisture from your hair and leave your hair dry and damaged. Sulfates are also used to give a lather effect. So if your shampoo has a lot of lathering and a lot of suds, then it most likely does have sulfates in it. The next ingredient is triclosan. Triclosan is an antibacterial agent that is often found in toothpaste, deodorant, shampoos, and bar soap. Triclosan is also a hormone disruptor. It interferes with the body's thyroid hormone metabolism. Children that are exposed to this compound have an increased chance in developing asthma, allergies, and eczema. It can accumulate in fatty tissues of the body and absorb into the skin, altering hormone regulation that is essential for brain development. Studies also show that it can cause severe scalp inflammation, hair loss, and dryness. The next ingredient is parabens. Parabens is used to increase the shelf life of hair care products. It prevents bacteria from growing in your shampoos, but is also known to mimic the function of hormone estrogen and increase the risk of breast cancer. Studies show that it can disrupt the hormones in the body and harm fertility and reproductive organs. It can affect birth outcomes and increase the risk of cancer. According to EU and FDA regulations, parabens in their current form are officially safe to use since cosmetic companies only use a small concentration of this ingredient in their formulas. The next ingredient is phthalates. This is used in hair care products to increase the spreadability of the product. This also helps the fragrance in the product last longer in your hair. This also is an endocrine disruptor, meaning it can cause early puberty in young girls and reduce sperm count in men. Children are at a higher level of exposure and more vulnerable to phthalates. According to studies, it is also detrimental to the reproductive, neurological, and developmental systems of humans from multiple exposure pathways. Other key notes is that it has been linked to birth defects, diabetes, thyroid issues, and obesity. The next ingredient is formaldehyde. This ingredient is often used in blowouts and keratin treatments. This ingredient is easily absorbed into the skin and can be carcinogenic. Formaldehyde in cosmetics has been reported to cause irritation, allergic skin reactions, and rashes. High levels of exposure can cause some type of cancers. It can be a serious irritation for your eyes, nose, and lungs. Long-term effects can cause chest pains, nausea, vomiting, headaches, asthma, rashes, and other severe problems. It is not recommended to use this at home. Always go to a licensed hair provider in a salon. The next ingredient is dimethicone. Dimethicone isn't too bad, but I still wanted to mention it. Dimethicone is a silicone added to hair care products. It acts as a protective layer to your hair shaft, but if used too often, it will prevent moisture from entering your hair shaft. So if you use a lot of products with dimethicone in it, and you're wondering why your hair is dry and is not retaining moisture, this could be the reason. The last ingredient I'm going to talk about today is selenium sulfate. This is often used in anti-dandruff shampoos. It is also a carcinogen, which is a cancer-causing compound. Lab tests on mice showed the development of tumors due to selenium sulfate. The percentage of selenium sulfate found in shampoos and ingredients are all safe for hair, but please keep in mind that this ingredient should only be used directly on your problem areas, such as where you have dandruff on the scalp. Do not keep this on your hair for an extended period of time and wash out thoroughly. It has commonly been linked to severe allergic reactions such as hives, swelling of the mouth and nose, and difficulties breathing. So when you're using products, make sure that you are thoroughly doing your research on the ingredients of these products and not just blindly putting things on your scalp or your skin, because our skin absorbs everything basically. So you want to be careful what you are doing and making sure that all the products that you are using are safe. I am by no means against all chemicals. Water is a chemical, H2O. So I'm just saying be careful, because some of these things in high amounts can really affect your hair and your health. I work in product development and I've done intense research to make sure that my products are the best of the best and have the best ingredients in them. So I will put recommendations of alternatives to products down below in the description box. And you guys already know I have my own hair care line, all natural products, and you will get a 25% off coupon code for just watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Care, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.